Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Power BI to Salesforce, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Power BI desktop on your computer. Select the Home tab in the ribbon. Click on Get Data. A menu will appear with various data source options. Scroll down and click on More. In the Get Data window, type Salesforce in the search bar. Select Salesforce Objects or Salesforce Reports, depending on your needs. Click the Connect button. A sign-in window will appear for Salesforce. Enter your Salesforce credentials in the provided fields. Click Log In. If prompted, authorize Power BI to access your Salesforce data. Once logged in, you'll see a navigator window displaying your Salesforce objects or reports. Select the data objects you wish to import into Power BI. You can preview the data by clicking on each item. After selecting your desired objects, click the Load button to import the data. Power BI will now connect to Salesforce and load the selected data. Once the data is loaded, it will appear in the Fields pane on the right. You can now use this data to create reports and visualizations. To refresh the data, head to the Home tab. Click on Refresh to update the data from Salesforce. If you need to set a schedule for refreshing, go to the Power BI service online. Navigate to the Dataset settings. Configure the refresh schedule according to your requirements. Congratulations, you have successfully connected Power BI to Salesforce. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.